Okay. Let's see if this works now. Let's see. All right. Up, words. Unlocks happen now. Yep. Upgrades happen. Incrementing on the upgrades isn't displaying right. So that basically means that what I'm missing is words. Missing the progress count. So here, comma, updated dot upgrade progress. Then go up to the signal. Add that in. Go to the option. Data. And now current progress equals progress dot progress. And now Let's see. Good. And the bar filled. That is a good sign. All right. Pick time. Ah. Hmm. I should probably design in some kind of whatchamacallit. I should build like a kind of debug mode for that so that I don't forget to update it after. Hmm. Alright. Also, the whatchamacallit, the data structure could probably benefit from some unit tests. And those tests would effectively just test if uh, the data is valid. Alright. Hmm. Hmm. Well, the thing is if I don't have those unit tests, it would make it so that when I'm updating or adding features, uh, if I add a feature, like add one to a feature that's much later, I won't know if it's uh, broken or not until I use it. However, if I have a unit test system, it would test if the data is valid and what needs to be updated. Mhm. Which is why I like using specs. Data structures that must conform to a struct. Okay. Hmm. All right. Oh yeah. So now I want to add a setting so that when the cost, like when you don't have enough for something, the action stays active, but it just doesn't continue. It should only be like one if statement. Step. Yep. Alrighty. So let's have a variable. Uh, keep active and pour. This. Then okay. If keep active or is true, return early. Alrighty. Then Alright. Actually, I should change the change type checkbox. Actually, I want a different type. But I don't have any structs, so you instead use classes, dictionaries, or you can even use Lewis style table syntax. Alright. Then what's that table? This one will be to the left. Alright. Then that's that. Core is toggled. Needed to. Alrighty. So this works how I think it should. A little bit of victory. Alrighty. Unlimited power. uh, Now it's fairly idle. I don't have to do shit. Uh, mm, Alright. Yeah. It definitely has a different feel when it's in this mode. So the basic story is that you're this person that is stuck in like a shadow realm of some sort. And later on, you learn that you were banished there, but you don't remember why you were banished. And there's other things that were banished here too. The beetles happen to thrive here. Alright. Yeah, this line should probably have more. Hmm. Anywho. Oh yeah, I need to update the story system now. Uh, so let's go to the list. Signals. Good. Actually, still needs to update the story now. Because I don't want to use just the increment up. I want to allow for more dynamic storytelling. So that, like, for example, if you, I want to be able to have more than one story option, and then from there, allow you to traverse the story more or gain more bits of, like, get more nuggets. Also, I need to fix the tooltip. Uh, Seven resource talk one and all. Not waste resources. Uh, Path no longer waste resources. Uh, with abandon. added upgrade cost increase. For some reason. All right. Making honestly, I should add a cost per cycle thing too, instead of just cost per tick, because I've been using a bit of a workaround to add cost per cycle instead by adding it into the loop table. So I should make it so that, yeah, words. Per cycle. To make it independent from root for completion. Of adding cost. What are you trying to prevent or let the user gain? System. So one example is like the eating beetle task. That like so that task. Well, actually, words. Actually, it's the collect beetle. Or anywho, one of the things, it's basically an exchange where it's like you get and like you give one of one item and you get one back, but also allows you to have a longer amount of ticks required without increasing the resource cost. Mm-hmm. So funny thing, I've been one thing I'm planning on eventually adding is a Shogoth at a lemonade stand. Yeah. Hmm. One moment. Apparently my lips got a little bit dry. And also considering that the player is alone, I'm also thinking about adding like a beach ball or something like that. As items sometimes like your beetles, where you have to collect 1,000 of them in order to upgrade them into a talisman, or all amulets can be used to upgrade them into an elite amulet, various elite amulets. Yeah. So when I'm planning to eventually add a alchemy system. That's more than just squeezing water out of shadows. And I'm also planning on adding like other items type of thing. One example I'm thinking about adding is a beetle cage or a terrarium. And it would basically be an item that passively gives you beetles over time. Hmm. Speaking of which, I could probably actually be able to add that in pretty quickly. Nope. Okay. So alrighty. So let's go to the data and then upgrade. Hmm. True. But yeah, the cool thing is if I build this out right, well, yeah, if I build it out right, in the in a good way, I eventually want to add mod support. That is something I want to add eventually. Uh, I don't know uh, how hard that would be, but I think I think it would be cool. And I have like a whole ass week right now. Anywho, hmm, I just realized something. Okay. Ooh. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, I also need to repair the save system. Hmm. Anywho, so let's fix up. Actually, let's go to the upgrade list. Build beetle cage. Unlock pulse. Alrighty. Now I'm going to test something. Open this up. Okay. For now, I'm just going to comment it out so that it just doesn't break anything at the moment. Then let's look at the story system. Have story data. And then the different things for how to unlock it. So folder. Alrighty. Let's do function function add story page. Then for now pass. In here will be a string. So pass page. And they'll just be story. Well, that's not. Pass. Actually, I'm gonna get I'm going to get rid of this because then you won't lose your place in the story. And so update story max. Alright. And now, actually, story holder. Let's start by grabbing this and just removing. Then going to the story data, meaning feels like you're okay. But display story already inside it. Display story. Oh, I meant about updating the story in the actions and stuff. So, oh wait, I want update story max. Oh, thank you. Here and here, and instead, hit up. I want to add story passage. Line 23. Oh, that's what you're talking about. That just updates this. Basically, it lets you have the page number and then the maximum number. What it was doing before was when it updates the story, it'll put you to the end of the book. Now it'll leave you where you were and then move on to the next. Alrighty. Add story page. Place that with D. And then move down here. So now it increments the story, but you can just move to it. I have made a mistake. Alrighty. It's actually data dot story data, then task ID. So now I increment and it goes to the correct thing. And the best part is that now if I want to add anything, I only if I want to add anything that I've already set up, I only have to deal with this one document. So yeah. A little bit of victory. Literally. The only like to add more, so I could add more content by adding more data, or I could add more features by adding more code. To be honest, I don't think you did, but considering how helpful you've been, it makes sense. Words. Alrighty. Alright. Open Refine is awesome for data cleaning. Spread the word. What is Open Refine? Actually, Open Refine is an open source desktop application for data cleanup and transformation to other formats. An activity commonly known as data wrangling. Similar to spreadsheet applications. PNG file formats that's such as CSV, but behaves more like a database. Anywho. Alrighty. So now I have the story. So yeah. Oh yeah, did I mention that I updated the tutorial system? It's not a big change, but it's enough to make it easier to read. Also, I should probably get rid of some of that chain. Okay, words. Let's fix some of the tutorial stuff. I want that, and also the resource. So I made it so that the whatchamacallit. So I made it so that the background is easier to read on, and the text will auto like it will auto wrap when you adjust the screen. And right now I'm removing any additional lines that aren't needed. Font size is a pain in the ass. Like, so I don't know why, but Godot does not have an easy system for dealing with font sizes on game releases. It is very annoying. On another note, I just had an idea of potentially moving the tutorial text into a thing for the data file. Anywho, so let's close that, and then that. Yeah, I've looked at the Godot font stuff and I can't make heads or tails of it. I've looked at multiple things already on it. It's just uh yeah, it's rough. Also, you just need to use font variation. Also, look at how much better this is in comparison to this. Okay. Use a regular font alongside emojis. Convex font emoji font. First, use default project font while displaying emoji. Leave the base font property in font variation empty. Oh, found fallback. Alright. Use a variable font. Single font file to represent various font weights and styles. This must be supported by the font you're using. Then so I just had an idea. Imagine for a moment a font that looks like scratchy handwriting. Oh god, no. Okay. Yeah, if I did that, I would specifically add a toggle for uh not. uh, Make that 2.0 feature. Got it. Actually, add variable. I have a 32-inch 4K. Oh, nice. I'm not sure what the DPI of my monitor is, but I have like two pretty I got two pretty standard Philips monitors. Had to invest in them after my eye surgery. Oof. Fun times. I think I've successfully refactored the code. Woo! Little victories. Actually, this isn't a little victory, it's more of a big victory. It just took about a day. Yeah, I haven't got an affiliate yet. I think all I need to be able to apply for affiliate is words. Yeah, the only thing I would need to get affiliate is to get an average of 3 viewers or more, and stream tomorrow. But yeah, yeah. Right now, I'm just gonna show what I have for my achievement on that mark, and it's like, and it has to be in the over a period of 30 days. So yeah, the I've been streaming for a bit this week. But anywho, And that timer's been lowballing it, as I think it only counts the time after you finish the stream. Anywho. Hmm. 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 Alrighty. And, hmm. Ooh, the the game jam has a few more or up uh, submissions. Very exciting. Anywho, uh, alrighty. Hmm. But yeah, this will be the start of the alchemy system, which I'm excited for. Most of it will be like just potions. Yeah, words. Hmm. Hmm. Anywho, okay. Something I think would be really cool would be for the story. Imagine having it set up so that it's like a book that that overlays over the screen, and then has like the text in it. Hmm. That might be like a major release type of thing, but I still think it would be cool. Hmm. I want to change the toggles. I want to make it so that the toggle appears as part of the header, and then and it hides a smaller portion of it. Unquiet spirits. Okay. Oh yeah, that would be perfect. Uh, let's see what the so let's see what the license is on it. 100% free. Are all the fonts free or charge? The fonts presented on the websites are the author's property and are either freeware, shareware, demo versions, or public domain. The license mentioned above the download is just an indication. Please look at the README files in the archives or check the indicated author's website for detail. And contact him or her if in doubt. If no author/license is indicated, that's because we don't have the information. That doesn't mean it's free. Alright. So, first, uh, hmm, hmm. Alrighty. Let's extract files. So, alright. Here's the license. Ah, alrighty. This is a free font, and I mean free. Use it however you want for whatever you want. If you make something cool with it, I would love to see it. Email me at savage and tell me about it. If you offer it for download on your own site, please include this README. It's not too much. Okay. This font is intended for specialty and graphic uses. Alrighty. I still have the font. Okay. Alrighty, so how to set up a font. Actually, go to the story. Label. Oh wait, that's the tutorial. Dbox container. Story panel. I'm just gonna try dragging this into here. Alright. Theme. Font. Okay. Let's see if this works how I think it does. It works. uh, okay, so oh yeah, because I have the text wrapping. Font. Let's say 50. Let's see how it does. I have a feeling that's a little bit too big, but it does look nice. Oh yeah, let's activate keep active. Oh, that. Okay. The font enhances the narrative so much because it fits the theme I'm going for so well. Okay. Oh wait. Actually, first, uh, okay. Don't have to worry about that. Manager. Good. Okay. Now it should be just it. It fucking makes hair stand on its end. Yep. Okay. And then action. Hmm. Okay. That's good to see. Ah, there it is. Alrighty. So now it's not just spamming the system with things. Yeah, this really needs the this was my second pick. The font. Hmm. Alright. Interesting. Yeah. Oh, I need to change that to breath. Alright. Yeah. Oh, it's such a good font for this. Okay. One moment. I just need to test something. I, I gotta test something. Okay. Uh, add color rectangle. Put this in there. Layout, sizing, fill, color. Uh, let's go for uh, so I'm going to try and change the color of the font to black. But I also want, okay, old paper. Okay, text color. Alrighty. So, red 224, green 2811, and 175. Shadow realm, maybe a blue, purple, black. Maybe. Let's see if I can. Go to theme. Let's add a panel container and then put both of these in there. Then for the font override, color, default, black. Maybe add a little bit of blue. Let's see. Yeah. Actually here now. Okay, put it on the wrong side. And for some reason it feels like it's a little feels like it's close. Let's see, does this change anything? A little bit. Well, now it's a little bit too close to the top. Layout, no. Visualization. Display text. I want it centered. Marker. No. Markup. No. What happens if I press this? Okay. Variation. Transform property can also be adjusted to stretch characters horizontally or vertically. It's specifically done by adjusting the XX horizontal. Remember to adjust lift spacing to account for any changes, as lift transform doesn't affect how much space each lift takes in the text. Non-uniform scaling of this kind should be used sparingly, as fonts are generally not designed to be displayed with stretching. Alright, also layout, container sizing, fill. And if I don't like that scrolling. I don't like how this is scrolling.